voice in that in every disaster, we are your foot soldiers. The municipality and the barangay are your first responders, and by equipping us with a uniform system that we can apply both in the municipal and the barangay level, the people can feel the difference that the entire government is goes hand in hand and is helping one another in responding to the needs of our people in times of calamity. We are not talking about minimal change, but systemic change, a way of thinking, in that you cannot say that we just pray that disaster should not visit us, but instead, in case a disaster will visit us, we are ready. I can attest that the municipality of Reina Mercedes, even if a fourth-class municipality in the province of Isabela, you have helped us improve our capacities, help us realize our resources, and help us be ready in any disaster for a better future for our constituents and for our community.